horn?
Drums.
It was just horrendous. So it's back. Here's Mambo 5. This is a line dancing tune. 1,